Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok notification not showing on iPhone. For example, if you have recently installed TikTok on your iPhone and you do not get any kind of notification on your TikTok, so how are you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So the first thing you have to check that you have do not turn on the iPhone ringer, which means you have not put your iPhone into silent mode. And after that, what you have to do, the next thing you have to check whether you are connected to a proper internet connection. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your internet connection can be restarted. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting your all network setting, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply again go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to click on iPhone storage. And after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of TikTok. So here what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app, which means you have to clear all of the data of the TikTok. And after that here will be shown reinstall the app option. So here you have to simply reinstall the app, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can go for the next option. For this you have to go to setting and you have to go to notification, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned on, which means you have allowed the notification for the TikTok, and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned on. If it is turned on, then you can simply turn off for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it on again. In this way your notification will be restarted, and you will be able to get the notification on your TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.